In 27 First News this morning, anchor Chelsea Spears is at the scene of a house fire in Levittsburg along Flora Lane, and she joins us now with the latest, not only as crews are battling the fire, but the conditions outside. Chelsea.
Dan, that's absolutely right. I just talked to Warren Township Fire Captain Ben Armstrong. He tells me this house was vacant, so no one was hurt as a result of this fire, but it's really caused some pretty big problems for firefighters here on the scene. You can see behind me there's still a lot of smoke coming up off this house, but that roof is also caved in. So he tells me they're actually not letting firefighters inside that house right now because it's a safety issue. They're worried that roof might cave in and hurt a firefighter. So they're staying outside right now, braving these cold, bitter temperatures. He told me that it felt like a lot of stuff was freezing up on them here. Thankfully, there was a fire hydrant there, so they were able to put this fire out in just about 10 minutes. But on top of that, they have the cold. He says they've been taking some extra precautions to try to keep their guys warm, taking shifts, sending 2 or 3 back to the fire trucks at a time just to let them sit in that truck, get warm, come back out and relieve some of the other guys here on the scene. Now, on top of that, he tells me that it took them about an extra minute to get out here because road conditions right now are not great. That extra minute, though, as many first responders know, is a big deal and can mean a lot when they're trying to fight a fire like this. So it took them extra time to get here, trying to stay warm. Right now, they don't know what caused this fire, but they do tell me that fire investigators will be out here a little later today to try to figure out what started this fire here on Flora Lane. He also says for any of you having to be out on those roads, Captain Armstrong said, please be safe. It wasn't good for the trucks getting here. It wasn't good for us getting out here. So don't be out on those roads unless you absolutely have to be. For now, reporting live, Chelsea Spears, WKBN 27 First News.